OPRA stock analysis price predictions for Tuesday. Is OPERA limited stock a buy? I'll be breaking this down in this quick and short 1 minute video. Especially OPERA limited. Well, if I zoom out, I want to have like a decent understanding of the whole trend. Which, yeah, sure. Hard time from bullish, which I actually quite like, by the way. Like, I quite like this. Just mark down the demand zone here. Oh, this is Gucci. This is very, very Gucci, because I would definitely be enrolled in the swing if I have a double break, because I already got the first break here. And then if I see a second one like this, I would further look to take it up. But like randomly buying my man, it's not gonna be happening. Like OPRA, I'm not sure if I have previous receipts here. Yeah, I do not. But within regards to this could be a very, very good swing as long as the rules are met, and that's why I have this waiting text, waiting for rules. So if you want to stay tuned, you want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll keep you updated.